y'all? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back. How y'all doing? Hey y'all, I'm excited. I'm in a really awesome mood because I got finally got my BoxyCharm premium box yesterday. And I was just too tired. Yeah, I was too tired to get it up, but I figured we'd get it open and see what's going on. It looks okay, guys. Before we jump into the unboxing video, I want to share with you guys some stuff I did order from Boxy pop-up. And of course, you know, this would have been May pop-up. This box came Tuesday. Ain't this June? Yeah, May pop-up. I don't know why it takes so long. And let me tell y'all, the finascal stuff, the mess I had to go through. You know, I ordered this because they sent me a $12 coupon because it was something in June's box that would be like an off color. You know, we know what they put that facial, what was it, guys? Y'all know what it was. That BB cream, CC cream, BB or CC cream. That was just the wrong color, so they sent an extra $12. Well, needless to say, I couldn't use the $12 and pop up. When I put the code on there, it disappeared. That's neither here nor there. So anyway, I ended up buying all of this, and I'm not upset because, for one, the first thing I got that I saw, I'm assuming BECCA is going to discontinue this if it isn't already. I absolutely love this BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I have been buying this since it very first came out. It was packaged like this, and they repackaged it. This is an old one here I have in Sienna, which you can tell I ordered it at Sephora online. It was too dark. I kept it. So now I just use a little bit of this with a little bit of this maple, and I get the perfect color. When this is gone, this shade here is in Sienna. I guess I think it's still at Sephora. I hope it is, because I need another Sienna. Because I have two more of these maples. When I say this is my favorite foundation, this is my absolute favorite foundation. So $12. If they're not discontinuing it, I got a backup of a backup. And if they are discontinuing it, I'm good. Matter of fact, this one here is in TERRA-COTTA. I didn't notice that. You can tell when I order something online. Ooh, TERRA-COTTA gonna be just way too light. Gosh darn it. So I definitely need to get another Sienna. Or, you know, I got 2 drawers of foundation. I can always mix this with high-end foundation, low-end foundation to bring this down to my right shade. Because this foundation is that good. It will truthfully cover every lie you want to tell. You'll never see it. Okay. And the next thing I got are these House of Lashes. Lashes, I think it's, yeah, and Knockout. I think this, yeah, Handmade with Love. Yeah, House of Lashes, HOL. I was like, oh, those look real sexy, jazzy. So I can't wait to try these. And that's the name of the shade. It's in Knockout. I do need to get some more of those House of Lashes lash glue. That stuff dries super fast. And let me quit talking so much. The last thing in this box is I got a set of the BoxyCharm masks. Let me tell y'all. Of course, most of the time I have on my N95. Other than that, I have on the little paper mask. And my plan was to get these and put them on top of my paper mask. You know, I can't put it on because I'll mess it up with makeup. Which I'm probably going to do anyway because I don't never go to work without my makeup. But yeah, this one has lips. And they all have BoxyCharm in the corner. And this one has BoxyCharm in the side. And it fits pretty good. It's just, you know, you need the ones that extend to cover your nose and your mouth. That way it's not sliding down and you're talking, but you're still breathing in the mess. And then the last one I got is the black one. We've seen Joe a lot of times in these. So when I saw that they had them, I was like, yes, let me get these. And I will put them in my work bag and have my own variety. Now, let's jump into this box, y'all, and see what I got in this month's premium box. My box got a hole in it. I wonder, I feel like, well, who beat up my box? Why? Okay, y'all, let me just quit talking. Open this box and see what I got for this month. I'm gonna turn it this way this time. Woo. Okay, let's see what's going on. Well, this is what I can show you from the beginning. This is all I can see off top. Okay, let's see what we got in this box for this month. The very first thing, I don't know what it is. I don't see a card. I'm looking for a card, but I don't see one, so I can't give y'all any prices. This is Living Proof Restore, Repair, Leave-In, Strengthening, Transforming, Reinforce. Oh, a leave-in conditioner. Oh, I'm happy with this. I was going to say, now I would never use anything Living Proof, but I will use this. It strengthens and restores. I just knew it was going to be, I'm going to tell you what I thought it was. I thought it was suntan and something. That's what I thought it was. Okay, but it's not. I was like, what am I going to ever do with this? But anyway, it's, let me put top back on. Quit playing too much. I play too much time. I know. But this is what we got right here. Living Proof. Y'all can look at my nails because they toe up again. I ordered me a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I'll show it to y'all. And don't worry, that Sephora haul should be up tomorrow. I'm going to get up early in the morning and go through this stuff and get it done. And Monday we'll have the uniform scrubs. Because I want to try to do a try on in there. But if they jacked up and don't fit, I don't know what I'm going to do. But let's keep going with this box. The next thing I got in here. Yes, I got it. A Glow Recipe. That's what it is. Glow Recipe. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I so wanted this. I almost bought it because I was like, I probably ain't going to get it. I'm pretty sure my box coming this late. I'm not going to get it. I'm so glad I did not break and buy it. Because I really want to try this. I haven't heard anybody say how well they like it. Even though I'm still using the BECCA sleeping mask. Oh, that is just so pretty. That's going to look so pretty on my bathroom cabinet. Even after it's empty, I can find something, you know, that I can use this with for, you know, I like this. I don't know. I like Glow Recipe, and I really do like sleeping masks. So the BECCA mask from Laneige I have been loving, but I'm not committed to rebuying it, you know, because of the price. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know the price again. The next thing I have in here is a sculpting duo brush. Y'all, I can go and tell you I ordered one of these from Sephora in my box. But I don't know. It says it's from Billion Dollar Brow. I know that BBB because we had got a kit from Billion Dollar Brow. Quit looking at them nails, y'all. Y'all maybe gonna put them in my pocket. Okay. The next thing is, oh, I don't like this, but it's not their fault. It's the Inkwell liner from KVD. I know I don't like this because I have it. I previously purchased it when it very first came out. Let me tell y'all why. It's supposed to be an eyeliner, but you know what? I did like it. This is how it looks. I hate to put these little fingers up. I'm going to use this hand this time. I had, when it first came out, I purchased it. And it's supposed to be an eyeliner. For me, it was not very functional as an eyeliner. Oh, this is different. I lied. I didn't buy this one. I bought the one that was really thick. So I take that all back. Yeah, I'm happy to have this. I just don't look like Kat Von D formula. I don't know why. Okay, I need to shake it up. But it's not as thick. You see, the first time I used it, it looked real thin. And then on that second one, it got a little darker. So we'll see. We'll see. I haven't had this. I thought this was the thicker one. This is the Inkwell liner. And that's exactly how it comes off, like an inkwell. So if it dries fast, it's still not dry. If it dries fast, that might be a plus. But right now, I don't know about that right there. I don't know. But I will see. And the next thing I got is a Kat Von D Studded Kisses lipstick. And I do like the, I'm going to stop saying Kat Von D. I think it's KVD now, but probably still the same products. And this looks like a color I already purchased. Oh, this is in LUU. That's what it looks like. This looks like the color that I have. And the one I have is so beautiful. But let's see. Yeah, this is Love. Oh, LUV. The writing they use, I'm like, LUU? You know, that gothic kind of Greek writing. This is Love. Oh, this is beautiful. This is darker. Let me get up and find the one that I have so I can show it to you guys. Give me 1 minute. Let me swatch this one first. This is Love. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. That's Love. And this is what it looks like. That's really pretty. So I'm not upset about that. Good choice, good pick. It kind of reminds me a little bit like a light heroin, or it's a matte lipstick, fuchsia, Flat Out Fabulous. That's what it kind of looks like, but it's like a purple with some pinkies. And the one that I purchased is, I thought they were the same. Wonder, what is that? Wonder Child. That's what it says. Can y'all see that? Because I can barely see it. Wonder Child. That's what it says. I'm going to swatch it right next to that. Oh, this looks more like heroin. Okay, I was wrong. I was wrong. That's Wonder Child right there. And then that's Love next to it. So I'm going to really enjoy Love. Ooh. Okay. I ain't mad. I ain't mad. I'll take the lipstick, the sleeping mask. That's my box, and I got some bonuses. So I'm cool. I am extremely cool and extremely excited. I mean happy. I ain't gonna say excited. I didn't mean to say that. I'm happy with what I got so far. It looks like the last thing. Yeah, first time I seen one of these in the bottom of the box. I guess to boost everything up. I don't know. But this, I would have to say so far, pretty good $35 box, I would say. If you guys don't know, the premium box is the $35 box. I do get all three of the subscription, the base, the premium, and the Luxe. And I had initially gotten the extra base, so I wouldn't miss the base during Luxe months, but no more. Anyway, the last thing I have in here is, and the thing I'm more concerned about is this Too Faced Contour, Cocoa Contour. I didn't get this when it first came out because, just honestly speaking, Too Faced doesn't do such a good job at making complexion products that are dark enough for me. I got this, let me show you. I think this came in a box too, and then I had already bought one and it's too light, so I ended up with two. This is dark chocolate, and let me show y'all this just real quick. I know somebody's saying, girl, open that palette. This is how dark chocolate is. It's just not really dark at all. It looks more like a light. Yeah, I use mine on top of my foundation, sometimes wet, sometimes dry. That's why it looks like that. But it's not dark enough. So when this came out, I didn't get it because I just felt like it wouldn't be dark enough. But we gonna see right now, y'all. I got my fingers and toes. I even got my legs crossed, y'all. I'm sitting with my legs crossed because this is so hefty. And I just love, look at the packaging on that. Inside packaging on this. Inside of my makeup bag when I take to work. Girl, this will be too bougie to pull out. Ooh, it might work. Look at that. It's got an orange. Ooh, that mirror. Oh, girl, you look good today. Anyway, it's got a pretty big mirror right there. So let me flip that over. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to have to try it to see. Y'all see those colors? This orange right here. Right here. Yeah, this orange, I think that's going to work. That's going to work really nice. It's like, not really orange. It's more like a peach. And this deep dark, I think, wrong side. Right here. I wonder, oh, and they're so soft. Oh, you know what? It won't work for me as a contour. Unless, no, it won't work. Even if I got on, it might give me some shadows. You see it there? It might give me a shadow, but it's so soft. I can feel it kind of working as a just a face powder. Just use it as a face powder. I can use one to highlight under my eyes. I can use this peach tone here. I like this. I like it. I can't use it for the purpose it was intended. Can I use this as a highlight? That's the lightest, the yellowy looking one. Yeah, I can use the yellow as a highlight. Oh yeah, I can make this work. And as usual, guys, it smells just like a chocolate bar. Okay, so this month for the Boxy premium box, it was worth the wait, in my opinion, for me, because I'm happy with this. Hardly never ever happens, but I am completely happy with everything that I received in this month's box. I'm a little iffy. Let's see how this dried down. Oh, it dried down. And it kind of stays. But looks like the only issue is the dry down. This is the only thing, this Kat Von D ink eyeliner, that I might be, I need you to dry faster than that. I got hooded eyes. It'll transfer everywhere. So happy with this because I was going to buy this. This just paid for the whole box. Was worth it. And I got, like, I bought this and got extras. And Living Proof is a pretty expensive brand. So, and it's in Ulta, Sephora. What else is it? I think both. I think I've gotten samples from Sephora of the Living Proof. So this box here was a banger.
Thank you, BoxyCharm. You did really good for me.
June box, but please try to get me my box before, what's today? The 26th of the month, because I got it yesterday. Today is the 27th when I got a chance to do the video. So anyway, y'all stay safe. Don't be out there running around in the streets, and you ain't got to. Wear your mask, wear your mask, wear your mask, wear your mask, so you can say yes. All right, bye y'all. Stay blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.